Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you've never been here. I'm MJ and I am MJ Planner on Instagram and YouTube, and today I'm going to be showing you a size comparison between the Franklin planners, the Anna planners in particular. This is classic size, this is compact, and this is pocket size. So I'm going to go through each of them and then just talk about the differences between each of them. I'm not going to give you specific dimensions or anything like that, but I will share comparables, and you can find the dimensions on their website. I'm going to post links to each binder so you can see the specific dimensions and what you need on their website. I'm going to start with the classic size. The classic size is pretty huge, actually. I love it though. This is the Anna binder. I always switch back into this binder because I really love it. The size paper that fits in here is half letter size, or the Franklin Covey comes out with each with inserts for each binder size, so you don't have to worry about it if you get Franklin planner inserts. But if you use other inserts, then this will be half letter size. So if you order inserts from like another planner company or something, you want to make sure that it comes unpunched, because nobody has this nobody that I've seen has this 7-hole punch, so you're probably going to need to punch it yourself. So just be mindful of that. A lot of half letter size shops already punch them, but they're in either that A5 rings, that 6-ring configuration, or in discs. So just be sure to do that. This compact size is so nice. I really like it because you get the best of both worlds. Like, you get some width and you get some height, and you can just, I don't know, it's just a really great size. This planner, of course, like I said, Franklin Planner comes out with compact inserts, and they just came out with some neutral color ones, which they're like a marble color. I think it's Carrara. I don't know if I said that correctly, but I will link those as well. These rings have the same hole configuration as personal rings or personal wide, and so you can definitely put in personal size inserts or personal wide inserts if you want to. I would recommend Franklin Covey Compact if you can find them. I've never tried personal wide. A lot of people say that they fit and they fit well, but I can't confirm or deny that. I have tried personal inserts in here and they do fit. They're just really skinny. So I'd recommend personal or Franklin Covey Compact size. Now here, this is the one I'm really excited about, and I'm excited about it because I had never tried pocket until now, and I really like it. I think the main reason why I like it is because, one, it comes with the inserts that I just love, and these inserts, actually, let me back that up. It does not come with these inserts, but these inserts are available. They are available with this size, and these inserts will fit in an A5 planner. If you have a different binder already and you want to try out the insert, you can try A6. These dividers right here, or these dividers and this dashboard, these are A6 size, and so they fit perfectly. Like, you can close it, it looks nice. I haven't tried like a bunch of A6 inserts in here, so I don't know if they like reach the edge. This looks like it's reaching the edge, but that's only because of the tabs here. But anyway, like I said, I really like it. I'm probably going to be using it. I hope they come out with some more color binders. This is a really pretty red color if you do like Christmas planning or anything like that, because, you know, 'tis the season. But you can fit, like, all of these are so versatile. For the compact, it's really difficult to fit it into like a standard personal size planner, but it fits certain planners. Like the Filofax Malden, their inserts will fit that, or the Moterm Versa, their inserts will also fit that. But we're talking about the binders today. So if you can tell, here is the size difference between pocket and compact. It's not, the width is huge. The width difference is pretty large, but the height difference isn't that that much bigger. I would think the inserts are just think of the difference between personal size and A5 size, or A6, I'm sorry. And same for here. Looking at this difference, you can definitely tell the difference here. Half letter and personal wide, between personal wide and personal size. Honestly, I love these binders, specifically the Anna binders. I really love them so much. They're so sturdy. They're so like good, such good quality. Customer service is amazing. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys the general differences here. I'm sure there are a lot more, things that are different about the binders, like the pockets. Actually, let's look at that. So if you can tell, the pockets on here, they have a few card slots, but here there's a card slot, a secretarial pocket, another pocket, and a zipper. And so the difference here is that it just has the pocket here and the card slots. And so when you look at the bigger one, you can see it's pretty much the same thing as the compact, but there are more card slots and obviously a bigger pouch. Same for the back. This is pretty much the same, except for there's a separation here at the back, and there's actually two pockets, and then the separation pockets, and then here are a few pockets, 3 pockets here, and here's just 1 pocket. So that's mainly it. I mean, I have had several questions about the sizes and comparing the sizes, so I hope I covered pretty much everything that you were wanting to know. If not, then please just leave a question in the description and I'll get to it. If you ask me what size I like the most, that would be difficult. But I think the classic size. The classic I like the most, probably because there's more writing space and there are a lot more things that I can get like to customize it, because there are a lot more planner shops and you know, accessories from the Franklin Planner website that has classic size. Honestly, I feel like if Franklin Planner came out with more compact size stuff, this one might be my favorite size. But this pocket, I think it's, man, I don't know. I really, really like it. And I like how small it is. It's kind of it's like I said, the width is, you can see this width difference. This is A6 and this is pocket, the Franklin Covey pocket. And y'all know, I don't know if you do know. If you don't know, I like width. Like, I like to have writing space. And so I'm thinking I really like the slimness of this binder, but I might put like A6 inserts in it, along with the Day on 2 pages that I love so much from Franklin. So yeah, that's about it. Again, if you have questions, please let me know. Yeah, we'll talk about these. I would recommend getting all of them if you can. If you cannot, then I would recommend the classic. If you like work from home, you stay home mostly, I would recommend the compact if you find yourself, you know, out and about and you need a smaller planner. And then this one I would recommend if you don't need a whole lot of writing space, but you want a smaller planner. Like, this can easily fit in a purse or something like that. This one is a lot more chunky, especially when you put stuff in it. I keep talking, y'all. Sorry. This one is a lot more chunky, so it looks portable. I mean, and it is portable, but it's heavy. It gets heavy. And this one is just a humongous, like, you just got your life in this one. I think that's how you should determine what size would be best for you. But like I said, if you can get all of them and you have different, you know, you like to swap out sizes like I do, then please get all of them, because yeah, like, they're just so versatile. Like, so for instance, like, say you get this classic size, you want to move back to A5. Yes, you might have to repunch, which, ugh, that's annoying, but it's not that bad. Like, you can fit this size in your A5 planner. It won't hang out. If you do have A5 other A5 stuff, then it might get a little, you know, frustrating to have some wider and taller, but you can make it work. Same for this. If you have a personal or personal wide, you can just like swap. You just swap all these different things for it's just, I will just leave it at that. It is versatile. You can do what you want with your planners. I don't know what y'all got going for the 2021 lineup, but I need to figure out what's going to happen for the rest of 2020 before I make any plans. So I don't know what my 2020 lineup is going to be. I'm pretty positive it's going to have something to do with Franklin Planner, but I don't know what size and what color and all that jazz. But anyway, I'm going to stop rambling right now because I want you guys to be able to go do what you have to do in your life. So have a wonderful day. I hope you found some value in this, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.